Hi there and welcome to another episode of YPS Chat. I'm Sam.
And I'm Andy.
And first of all, we hope you had a great Christmas and a happy New Year.
Yeah, it's going to be a great year here as well. We've got lots of surprises in store, so stay tuned for our next few episodes.
Right then, in this video we're going to look at a job that we just completed shortly before Christmas. So you know the drill by now. Let's have a look at the before pictures.
Yeah, that's pretty normal to be honest. A tired and dated looking bathroom that needs modernising.
Let's have a look at what Michelle designed and the pictures of the job after it was finished. Wow, that looks really nice and modern, doesn't it?
It does. We fitted a nice Mia bifold shower door with the Roper Rhodes Event click shower.
And the taps are from Crosswater. That's a really nice quality item, and those things come with a 5-year guarantee.
Yeah, and then we put in a nice D-shaped double-ended bath with the anthracite towel rail, both from Mia bathrooms as well.
Beautiful, and that's a real good improvement on that original bathroom.
Yeah. So that's it for now. I hope you've enjoyed the video.
Yeah, thanks for watching. I hope it's been interesting for you, and remember, keep looking out because we're going to be posting some videos in the near future that are going to surprise you.
Bye for now.
See you now, bye.